So yes, LeBron James did it. He passed Kareem Abdul-Jabbar as the all-time leading scorer in NBA history, lighting some more fire under the debate as to who is the GOAT of basketball. Me still say LeBron. But that aside, this practice by the NBA, though, of only tabulating regular season points for this point-scoring record, meaning that playoff points are not considered, that has got to be one of the most bizarre concepts in all of sports. An all-time NBA scoring record, but arguably the most important NBA points are not considered. So basically, playoff points are not counted as NBA points. This rule is basically punishing players on teams that make the playoffs because not all players make the playoffs. Punishing performance to keep the playing field level with non-performance. This is like saying the goals scored by a player in the quarterfinal, semi-final, and final of the Football World Cup don't count as World Cup goals. Yes. Only the first round goals count. Yes. What rubbish. By the way, there is a separate playoff scoring record in the NBA. And guess who holds that record? Guess who? The same GOAT. The same GOAT. Man!